Brought to you by Surfshark VPN. Hey folks, welcome to another day, another unboxing. And what I have here for you, you guessed it, is Samsung's Galaxy Z Flip. Yes, look at that, Z Flip. So that's the box. There's not much to be said here. It says Samsung Galaxy on this side. And there you go. Let's open it up. Shall we? Dun 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 dun. Boom, that's it. Oh, there's something in the lid. So let's have a look at that in a second. First, we've got this little card that says, "The future changes shape. Meet your Galaxy Z Flip." And then we get the phone itself right here. Whoa, check it out. Care instructions. It's pretty small, but I'll leave it up so you folks can read it. You can pause. So I bought this with my own money because Samsung's been super stingy about review units, as you probably know. And I couldn't stay, out of this folding business. I didn't buy a fold because they wouldn't get me a review unit, but also didn't buy a razor because they wouldn't get me a review unit. But I decided that if I'm going to buy one, it's going to be the Flip. So I went ahead and did that. And yeah, so there we go. All right, let's unbox the rest of the box. Got another little divider paper here. It says Galaxy Z Premier Service. And there you go. It's very nice, little barcode action. Then we got a charger here. That's interesting. Let's see how many watts that is. I'm going to leave that up so you guys can figure it out. Looks like a pretty standard Samsung charger to me. It says the usual quick charge thing here. Then we've got a bunch of other things in here. Let's have a look. I see AKG, that's probably the earbuds. So of course there is a charging cord, USB type A on one end, as you can see here, and then we've got USB type C on the other end, obviously. And then here is the AKG earbuds. Let's check this out. That's pretty standard fare. We've seen this on other Samsung devices over the last few months. So there's like some replacement tips here. As you can see, this is USB type C in there. I don't want to take it all out. You get the idea, right? So that's what's in the box. Let's look at the inside here. There is something in here that we can remove. It says Samsung. It's probably the manual. Apparently there's a case in this as well. So I'm not sure. Let's have a look. Aha, yes. So we've got nothing else in here. And we've got a case and a quick reference guide. So quick reference guide so you can get started. Tells you how to begin your Z Flip experience. And you've got a get the most out of your phone terms and conditions. Also forgot to mention there's a SIM removal tool here. This does have a SIM slot, unlike the Razr, which is eSIM only, at least in the US. So let's move this stuff out of the way and look at the phone and the case real quickly. So this is the case, and you can see there's instructions on how to set it up. There you go. And it's translucent, which is really nice. I'm going to put this on now, but in my review video, I'll tell you all about the experience of using this case, because there's no way I'm going to use this without a case after spending $1,400 on it. So here you go. Here's the phone. Oh, look at that. That is gorgeous. Of course, I got the pink/purple one. You knew that was coming. So let's see, how do we open this up? I guess we pull on this tab right here to get this end loose, and we pull on this tab right here to get this end loose, and then we've got the phone completely loose, loosey-goosey. Oh, wow. Look at that. That is amazing. Are you ready for it? Ta-da. Boom. Try not to put fingerprints all over the thing. because it's a fingerprint magnet. So here's the secondary display, the front display. Here's the camera system. Here's the hinge, Samsung branded, in the back. And here's the front with the charging port, mono speaker, and there's a primary and secondary mic, since this is the top. On the left-hand side, I guess, is the volume rocker and power lock button, which is also the fingerprint reader, as you can see here. On the right-hand side, you've got the SIM tray, and that's it. That's the layout. Let's have a look at this and turn it on, shall we? Wow, the hinge feels fantastic. So there's a bit of a crease here, as you can see. Let's turn it on. Boom! Samsung Galaxy Z Flip, powered by Android. So this is a 6.7-inch 1080p display with a 10 megapixel front-facing camera in a hole punch up here. It's a f/2.4. There you go.
Get set up more easily by guiding you through the steps.
I'm going to mute that. So as you can see, there's that 10 megapixel f/2.4 hole punch camera. That gorgeous, even bezeled 6.7-inch 1080p display. Wow, this is really nice. It feels really nice. All right, so I'm not going to set this up, but I wanted to walk you through some of the features and specs. Oh, look, the front display is lit up. This is not the current time. I guess it's on probably some other time zone. There's two cameras in the front. There's a regular 12 megapixel f/1.8 camera with OIS, that's the main shooter. It does have 1.4 micron pixels. Then there's an ultra wide 12 megapixel f/2.2, no telephoto, right? And there's a 3300 milliamp hour battery split between the two halves, and a Snapdragon 855 plus, and 8 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of storage. No micro SD expansion. That's what you get spec-wise. So pretty decent. It's basically very much the same feature set as last year's Galaxy S10e, but for double the price because it folds. So there you go. You can see the secondary mic up there. It's a really thin, wow, the USB Type-C port and mono speaker. This phone feels like the future. It's kind of amazing. Frankly, I'm impressed. And now I'd like to take a minute to thank our sponsor, Surfshark VPN. Surfshark is a VPN service that makes online privacy protection easy and attainable. Surfshark encrypts all internet traffic sent to and from your devices and ensures that your IP address remains hidden to make sure nobody can see what you do online. On top of that, they block ads, trackers, malware, and phishing attempts. And unlike other VPN services, you can use it on as many devices as you'd like simultaneously. I use it when I travel to protect my privacy when I'm on open Wi-Fi hotspots. And say I want to access Netflix US when I'm in the UK. I can do that with Surfshark VPN. Another example is the other way around. Say that I'd like to see a UK show on Netflix, but I'm in the US. Well, Surfshark VPN lets me do that. So that's how I've used Surfshark VPN, both while traveling and when at home. And now I'd like to share the love. I want you to try out Surfshark for yourself with my exclusive limited time deal. Click on the description below or go to surfshark.deals/mobiletechpodcast. That's surfshark.deals/mobiletechpodcast. Thanks to Surfshark VPN for sponsoring the show. So that's it, folks. A quick unboxing of the Galaxy Z Flip. I'm going to play with this phone and keep you posted on the podcast along with the YouTube channel here. I'm going to probably do a review video. Came with earbuds, came with a charging cable, came with a charging brick, and it came with a case, of course. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Please stay tuned for more videos. Like, subscribe, tell your friends, comment in the comments below, click on the little notification bell, and remember, this channel is a supplement to the podcast, mobiletechpodcast.com. Go listen to the podcast. We're on Apple Podcasts, Google Podcasts, Pocket Casts, Spotify. You can join us anywhere and listen. Please do, and tell your friends and subscribe to the show. That's it, folks. Stay tuned for more on the channel soon. Cheers, everybody.